Hello friends. Today we learn about the another phase of the mechanical property of the fluid over here. Fluid च्या concerning वेगळा जो फेस आहे त्याचा ते आपण बघणार आहोत. Which is in the concerning with the force and the volume and the pressure. हा जो concept आहे we did get concerning with the Bernoulli's experiment or Bernoulli's theorem. बर्नॉली म्हणजे जे सायंटिस्ट नाही बर्नॉलीने थोडेसे एक्सपेरिमेंट करून हे जे कन्सेप्ट एलॅबोरेट केलेले आहे आणि धिस वन बर्नॉलीज एक्सपेरिमेंट विच इज ऑलमोस्ट बी यूज इन द हाऊ टू गेट द फ्लाइट और वन ऑफ द प्लेन विच इज फ्लाय इन द एअर. हा जो बर्नॉली थिअरम आहे त्या एअरच्या कन्सर्निंग आहे किंवा प्लेन जेव्हा हवेमध्ये उडतं तर तेव्हा त्याचा कन्सर्न त्या बर्नॉली थिअरमच्या कन्सर्निंग आहे. Which is very much famous Bernoulli's theorem, and this one is the portion which is only in the NCERT syllabus. But as per this board syllabus, यामध्ये Bernoulli's theorem पुन्हा आणलेला after the 10 years 10 वर्षानंतर हा पूर्ण Bernoulli's theorem पहिले 11th ला होता नंतर तो पूर्णतः काढून घेतलेला होता. So then again they implement in the board syllabus 12th. So this one is the better option. कारण की या बर्नॉली थिअरम वरती बरेचसे एमसीक्यूज विचारले जातात आणि दिस वन इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग बर्नॉलीज थिअरम. ओके, आता बर्नॉलीज थिअरम आहे की देर इज ए पाईप विच इज हॅव्हिंग द सो अँड सो डायमीटर, एखाद्या डायमीटरचा आहे. वेन द फ्लुइड देन गेट पासिंग थ्रू दॅट पाईप, the pipe one of the end is to be the bigger diameter and another end is to be the smaller diameter. Okay, आता हा जो fluid when it is passing through the pipe of the different diameter, तर तेव्हा त्याचा व्हॉल्यूम, त्याचा प्रेशर, त्याचा फोर्स वरती काय इफेक्ट होतो. तो दिस वॉज बर्नॉलीज थिअरम एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे. Bernoulli's concept. So this one Bernoulli's theorem said that when the fluid which is passing through the pipe which is having the different diameter, and the one of the end, suppose the end which is having the bigger diameter than the B diameter. आता आपण जनरली कन्सेप्ट हे बघतो की ज्या वेळेला पाणी मोठ्या डायमीटर मधनं छोट्या डायमीटर मध्ये जातं तेव्हा तिकडच्या साईडला जास्त फोर्स असतो, आपण तसं म्हणत असतो. ओके, बट इन द केस ऑफ द डायमीटर इकडचा व्हॉल्यूम जास्त असतो ऍज कन्सर्निंग विथ द बी एंड. ओके, वेन वी लुक आउट द डायग्राम तेव्हा आपल्याला क्लिअर कट आयडिया येईल की काय होतं एक्झॅक्टली. ठीक आहे, आता जेव्हा बिगर डायमीटर मधनं ज्या वेळेला फ्लुइड पास होतं लोअर डायमीटर मध्ये किंवा छोट्या डायमीटर मध्ये, नॅचरली त्याच्या व्हॉल्यूम मध्ये चेंजेस होणार. देर इज सम ऑफ द चेंजेस इन द बोथ ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ द पाईप. आता दोन्ही पाईप मध्ये त्याचा थोडासा डिफरन्स राहणार आहे 100%. ओके, आणि व्हॉल्यूमचा सुद्धा डिफरन्स राहणार आहे. नॅचरली देर इज ए व्हेरिफिकेशन देर इज ए व्हॅरी इन द फोर्सेस ऑल्सो. फोर्सेस मध्ये पण डिफरन्स येणार आहे बिकॉज ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम गेट कन्सर्न विथ दॅट. फोर्स पण डिफरंट होणार आहे, पण त्यामध्ये प्रेशरचा काय कन्सर्न आहे ते पण त्या बर्नॉलीज थिअरम मध्ये एक्सपेरिमेंट केलेलं किंवा त्यांनी सांगितलेलं स्टेट्स केलेलं आहे की व्हॉल्यूम कमी होते का जास्त होते, किंवा प्रेशर कमी होते का जास्त असते, फोर्स कमी होतो का फोर्स जास्त होतो. या दोनच्या कन्सर्निंग त्यांनी हा जो कन्सेप्ट केलेला आहे तो बर्नॉलीज थिअरम आपण एक्सपेरिमेंटली किंवा फिगरच्या कन्सर्निंग आपण बघूया. So friend, when the fluid which is passing through the pipe which is having the different diameter, so this one is the bigger diameter and which is reduced into the lower diameter. Okay, and this one fluid is to be the flowing from A section to the B section. Okay, this is clear then. The pipe which is having the different diameter, this one is the wider diameter and this one is the smaller diameter as with respect to the A. Okay, when the fluid which is passing through that नॅचरली याचा व्हॉल्यूमच्या कन्सर्न आणि याच्या व्हॉल्यूमच्या कन्सर्न देर इज अ टू मच डिफरन्स इन द व्हॉल्यूम ऑल्सो. नॅचरली एरिया डिफरन्स झाला तर व्हॉल्यूमचा डिफरन्स 100% येणार. ठीक आहे. बट वेन द कन्सर्निंग विथ द दिस वन व्हॉल्यूम अँड दिस वन व्हॉल्यूम इज द वॉटर ऑर द फ्लुइड विच इज पासिंग थ्रू दॅट, जो जेव्हा त्या बी पर्यंत तो येतो तोपर्यंत त्याची स्पीड नॅचरली इन्क्रीज होईल. The speed of the fluid in the narrower end, which is to be the increases. जी त्या फ्लुइडची स्पीड आहे ऍज कम्पेअर टू द ए, नॅचरली स्पीड जास्त राहणार. मग आपण माइट बी कन्सिडर दॅट की आपल्याला जर ओके द स्पीड इज टू बी द इन्क्रीजेस, त्या पाण्याची स्पीड तर 100% वाढणार आहे. पण व्हॉट अबाउट द प्रेशर? But what about the pressure? But the pressure, as concerning the area or the dimension, the speed is increases, the pressure is also increases in the narrower end. We might be consider that, okay? मग आपल्याला वाटतं की चला प्रेशर पण तिथे इन्क्रीज होणार आहे. ठीक आहे. ऍज कन्सर्निंग तो वायडर रेंज, या वायडर मधला जो प्रेशर आहे नॅचरली याच्यापैकी वायडर असल्यामुळे प्रेशर लो राहणार आहे आणि नॅरो असलं तर प्रेशर असं नसतं. The pressure at that the B position or the smaller diameter position, the pressure is to be decreased. The pressure is to be decreased and the pressure at the A1 position is increased or greater than this. Okay, you can say that. At the point B, the pressure is to be decreased with respect to the A. B point where the pressure decrease will. This one is the Bernoulli's concept. त्याला तेच म्हणायचं की when the fluid which is passing through the one end to the another end, having the different diameter. Okay, but the speed of the fluid is to be the 100% increases as compared to the A. But in the case of the pressure is decreases. Why it is so? की ते आपण एक्सपेरिमेंट द्वारे किंवा ते आपण जो ग्राफिकली रिप्रेझेंटेशन वन ऑफ द लिटिल वन एक्सपेरिमेंट असं म्हटलं ते स्थान, तर त्याच्यावर आपण करणार आहोत कॅल्क्युलेशन त्याचे की प्रेशर कसं डिक्रीज होते किंवा स्पीड कशी इन्क्रीज होते आणि हाऊ ही दिस वन इज हॅपन. अँड दिस वन बर्नॉलीज कन्सेप्ट जो आहे हा आपण प्लेनच्या कन्सर्निंग बघतो की ज्या वेळेला एअर मध्ये फ्लायआउट करतात किंवा लँडिंग करतात तर दिस वन बर्नॉलीज कन्सेप्ट विच इज यूज इन द लँडिंग ऑर द फ्लायआउट द प्लेन, त्याच्या कन्सर्निंग ते कामात येतात. अंडरस्टूड? Now look at the figure. Okay, this one is the pipe which is having the bigger diameter and the another end which is having the lower diameter. Okay, so this one is the P and the Q which is having the volume of the bigger diameter. Bigger diameter चा volume काय P आणि Q च्या concerning आहे आणि second one जो आहे हा RS च्या concerning आहे, R and S. Okay, this one is the PQ and another one is the RS. So this one is R पेक्षा height of H1 and this another end of RS which is having the height of H2. Height H2 वरती आहे another end. Then this one is the volume V1 which is having the volume of PQ. This one is the complete volume V1. ठीक है. आता one of the fluid which is get displaced by the D1 and this one is the displaced by the D2. Another end displaced water displaced किंवा fluid displaced किती झालं D2 नी झालं आणि हा जो झाला हा D1 नी displaced झाला. ठीक आहे. Area having the A1 and the area having the A2 of the PQ and the RS respectively. आता हा जो फिगर आहे हे ग्लोबलाइज आहे. ही फिगर तुम्हाला पुढे बदलणारी नाहीये. ही फिगर तुम्हाला तशीच लक्षात ठेवणार की वन ऑफ द हॅव्हिंग द बिगर डायमीटर दॅन द अदर बी ऑफ द सेक्शन विच इज हॅव्हिंग द PQ अँड द RS सेक्शन. एरियामध्ये नॅचरली डिफरन्स पडणार आहे बिकॉज ऑफ द डायमीटर, बिकॉज ऑफ द A1 एरिया ऑफ द डायमीटर आणि याचा व्हॉल्यूम पण डिफरन्स पडणार आहे V1 अँड द V2. टू मच डिफरन्स बिटवीन द व्हॉल्यूम ऑल्सो, की त्याचा पाईपचा व्हॉल्यूम आणि तिकडच्या नॅरो एंडचा पाईप सुद्धा डिफरन्स पडणार आहे. ओके, Now this one fluid which is entering through the end and which is out from the this one in end. आपण नॅचरली या फिगरच्या कन्सर्निंग या बाईटच्या कन्सर्निंग आपण म्हणू शकतो की जेव्हा फ्लुइड एंटर होतो या वायडर सेक्शन मधनं आणि तिकडच्या साईडने निघतो, नॅचरली द स्पीड ऑफ द फ्लुइड इज टू बी इन्क्रीज 100% इन्क्रीज. देयर इज नो डाउट इन द फ्लुइड. Then, but what about the pressure? But the pressure, we can mention that किंवा आपल्याला माहिती पडतं की अरे की प्रेशर जे आहे ते त्याच्या कन्सर्निंग आपल्याला वाढणार आहे. बट नो फ्रेंड, ऍट दॅट एंड द प्रेशर इज टू बी द डिक्रीजेस. The narrower end having the pressure is to be the decreases with respect to the A1 or the PQ. Okay, so how this is happen? We learn step by step over here, and what is the concept? We try to understand what is the concept of the Bernoulli's experiment or the Bernoulli's concept. Okay, so we have the area A1 and the A2, then V1 and the V2 volume. PQ is the section and the RS is the section of the narrower region. Height of H1, okay? Then H2, this one is the height of H2. Okay. Now, what about the fluid which is passing from the wider to the lower end? Okay. Then we have the PQ region, this one PQ region. Now, what is the force on this PQ by the surrounding fluid? ठीक आहे. जेव्हा फ्लुइड स्ट्रीमलाईन फ्लो सारखा जर फ्लो होत असेल तर आजूबाजूच्या फ्लुइडचं नॅचरली प्रेशर, आपण पहिल्यांदा जो कन्सेप्ट बघितला होता सिलेंड्रिकल वन ऑफ द पोर्शन विच इज टेकन विदिन ए फ्लुइड, त्याचं प्रेशर काय राहते ते पण आपण बघितलं होतं. तर जेव्हा या पूर्ण डायमीटर मध्ये वन ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज टू बी टेकन, एक कन्सेप्ट जर घेतला आपण त्याला आणि त्याच्या कन्सर्निंग बाहेरचं जे प्रेशर आहे बट द फ्लुइडचं प्रेशर जे आहे ते किती राहते. सो प्रेशर P1 which is equal to force, so F1 which is equal to P1 multiplied by area of cross section. Okay, in considering of the this, so F1 which is equal to P1 multiplied by A of area of cross section. Area of cross section, this is A1. And then now F2 is having the force at the second one which is a P2 multiplied by A2. This one is the F1 and this one is the F2. P1 multiplied by A1, P2 multiplied by A2. This one is the force of PQ region, this one is the force of P2 region. Okay. Now the volume of the PQ, then the volume of the PQ and the RS, which is the smaller one portion. So we can take out as the dV. We can take out as the dV, which is equal to A1 multiplied by D1. The smaller one volume of the PQ, which is equal to A1 and D1, and which is equal to also another portion A2 and D2. This one is the partial volume of the pipe which is having the wider region and the narrower region. So dV which is equal to A1 D1 and the A2 D2. When the fluid which is passing from the PQ section to the another RS section, there is a net work done. जेव्हा fluid wider region मधून narrower region जातो, there is a some work done and also at the height of H2. तर जेव्हा फ्लुइड हाईट वरती जातं, ठीक आहे, नॅरोवर एंडला, तर तेव्हा देर इज अ नेट वर्क डन. सो देर इज अ नेट वर्क डन W which is equal to, आपल्याला कसं हे करावं लागेल की फोर्स आणि व्हॉल्यूमचे कन्सर्निंग आपल्याला बघावं लागेल. दॅट इज ए P1 multiplied by A1 multiplied by D1. This one portion is the net work done. P1 multiplied by A1 multiplied by D1 minus P2 multiplied by A2 multiplied by d2. This one is the total work done from this one portion to the another portion. So net work done W, which is equal to P1 A1 D1 and minus P2 A2 and the D2. So in this equation, work done which is equal to P1 A1 D1 minus P2 A2 D2. Then we can write A1 D1 as a dV and A2 D2 we can write also dV. That's why work done which is equal to P1 dV minus P2 dV. Work done W which is equal to P1 dV minus P2 dV. dV is to be the common. That's why the work done which is equal to P1 minus P2 multiplied by dV. This is to be the work done when the fluid which is passing from the PQ to the another section of the RS. So W which is equal to P1 minus P2 multiplied by dV. Let's consider the another concept of the work done, another phase of the work done, how it is happen. Now, when the work done is to be the happen when the fluid which is passing from the lower one section to the upper one section. Okay, it is clear that. So there is some work done. But this one work done which is not concerning with the gravitation forces and the soil forces. हे जे फोर्सेस आहे हे इंटरनली जे फोर्सेस आहे त्याच्या कन्सर्निंग दॅट मीन्स दॅट त्याला आपण मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी पण म्हणू शकतो. ठीक आहे. सो दिस वन मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी so there is a sum of the force which driven out the fluid from lower section to the upper section. So this one responsible for the mechanical energy and mechanical energy that means that the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Mechanical energy that means the kinetic energy and the potential energy. We can say the another word also, this one word done which is concerning with the kinetic energy and the potential energy. That's why we can write this one equation W which is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, this one is the work done P1 minus P2 multiplied by dV. And this one is the work done which is concerned with the kinetic energy plus potential energy. So we have to calculate the kinetic energy and the potential energy also. So what is the kinetic energy formula? 1/2 mv square. That is the kinetic energy formula. And what is the potential energy formula? Potential energy which is equal to mgh. This one is the 2 of the formula. And this one formula which is converted as per this theory. So kinetic energy 1/2 mv square. The mass of that particular liquid which is having the PQ and which is having the RS also. So M which is equal to rho A and D. Rho means the density of the fluid, A area of cross section and the D for the diameter. So rho AD. Okay then. That's why the kinetic energy of the PQ which is equal to 1/2 rho A1 D1 V1 square. Okay, this one kinetic energy or kinetic energy you can mention that on the side of the PQ which is in the wider region. And the kinetic energy at the RS section which is equal to lower one region 1/2 rho A2 D2 V2 square. Okay, so kinetic energy of the wider region 1/2 rho A1 D1 V1 square. That is a mass rho AD. Okay, rho density, area of cross section and the diameter. And the another kinetic energy of the upper one is 1/2 rho A2 D2 and V2 square. So there is a 2 of the kinetic energy over here at the wider region and the lower region. Then we can find out the difference between the kinetic energy over here. So what is the change in kinetic energy? So kinetic energy 2 minus kinetic energy 1 within a time dt. So kinetic energy 2 minus kinetic energy 1 within a time dt. What is the formula? 1 half rho A2 D2 V2 square minus 1 half rho A1 D1 V1 square. Okay, 1 half rho A2 D2 V2 square minus 1 half rho A1 D1 V1 square. Now we can write the A2 D2 and A1 D1, that is a dV, that is a continuity. So there is a difference in the kinetic energy which is equal to 1 half is to the common, rho is to the common, A2 D2 and A1 D1 we can write as the dV. That is a 1 half rho dV V2 square minus 1 half rho dV V1 square. It is clear? Okay. Now we take out the similar term 1 half rho dV V2 square minus V1 square. That is the change in kinetic energy. That is the change in kinetic energy which is equal to 1 half rho dV V2 square minus V1 square. Then we move out the potential energy. We move out the potential energy at the different form. What is the formula of the potential energy? mgh. Okay. So this one is also considered the m for mass, rho ad. And this one is the rho ad. We can write as the dV. We can write as the dV. So we can write the short form. So dV. Okay. So potential energy which is equal to m multiplied by g multiplied by h. Okay. That's why instead of the m, so rho multiplied by dV multiplied by g multiplied by h. This one is the potential energy. So this one is the globalized formula. Now we can write the potential energy in concerning of the lower section and the upper section, PQ section and the RS section. That's why there is a difference between the potential energy. We can write for this the kinetic energy, potential energy in concerning of the work done formula मध्ये आपल्याला implement करायचं आहे. That's why we calculate the value of the kinetic and the potential energy. Okay. Then the what is about the potential energy? So potential energy, that is a change in potential energy. Okay, that is the change in potential energy. So rho dV GH2, rho dV GH2 minus rho dV GH1. That is a difference in the potential energy. The potential energy rho dV GH2 minus rho dV GH1. Now we can take out the common over here. That is a rho dV and the rho dVg or rho dVg. So these one three terms which is to be the common here. So rho dVg. Then remaining one is what? H2 minus H1. That is a change in potential energy. So this one is the kinetic energy formula. Kinetic energy which is equal to 1 half rho dV V2 square minus V1 square. Is nothing difficult. Okay? So kinetic energy calculate केली as per the या formula साठी. Then potential energy, change in potential energy, that is a rho dVg H2 minus H1. So this one, both of the equation which is implemented in the work done also. Now, what is the formula of the work done? Upon calculate केला this one, P1 minus P2 multiplied by dV. These three equations which is implemented in the that equation W which is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So these three equations which is implemented in this equation, what is the value of, what is the equation of the work done? W P1 minus P2 multiplied by dV. So P1 minus P2 multiplied by dV, which is equal to, what is the equation of the kinetic energy? This one kinetic energy I can write. So 1 half rho dV V2 square minus V1 square plus, what is the equation of the potential energy? rho dVg H2 minus H1. That's why. So rho dVg H2 minus H1. What is the common in this equation? That is the dV. Okay, I can remove this. So P1 minus P2, which is equal to 1/2 rho V2 square plus V1 square plus rho G H2 minus H1. That is the P1 minus P2. So this one equation which is clear that there is a difference in the pressure P1 and the P2. Okay, there is a P1 and the P2. And the P1 and P2 is nothing but the work done. So this one work done by the fluid, this one work done by the surrounding fluid. Okay? So this one work done by the surrounding fluid, which is a changes in the kinetic energy and the potential energy. That is a Bernoulli's principle. So that there is a work done by the surrounding fluid, which is a summation or the sum of changes of the kinetic energy and the potential energy. That is a Bernoulli statement or the Bernoulli equation. I can repeat that. This one work, there is a difference in the pressure. Okay, so there is a work done by the surrounding of the fluid per unit volume, which is equal to the sum of changes in kinetic energy and the changes in the potential energy. Okay, understood? That is a Bernoulli's theorem. And we can see the next one section, which is the application of the Bernoulli's theorem, which is very, very interesting. Okay.